Hello students, we are still on fraction. In our previous lesson we treated addition of fraction. Now we are looking at subtraction of fraction. We have a 7 whole number 5 divided by 6 minus 3 whole number 7 divided by 12. You have to focus firstly on the whole number 7 minus 3. So you have your 7 minus 3. Then you find the LCM of the denominator. The LCM of 6 and 12 is 12. In our previous class, we treated how to look for the LCM. So we won't do it here because of time. But the easiest way to know the LCM, 6 is a multiple of 12. And 12 can divide 12. So the LCM, the lowest common multiple of 6 and 12 is 12. 6 in 12 is 2. 2 times 5. 6 in 12, 2 times 5. Minus 12 in 12, 1. 1 times 7. Why the whole number has been treated here, 7 minus 3. So 7 minus 3 is 4. 2 times 5, 10. Minus 7 divided by 12. This is your 4, your whole number. 10 minus 7 is 3 divided by 12. We can't leave it this way because 3 is also a factor of 12. So this will give us 4 whole number. 3 in 3, 1. 3 in 12, 4. So this is our final answer. This is the lowest step. So we'll come to number 2. We have to start with the whole number, 7 minus 1 minus 2. So put it here, 7 minus 1 minus 2, before we look for the LCM of 6, 4, and 3. The LCM of 6, 4, and 3 will be 12, because they are also factors of 12. So 6 in 12, 2. 2 times 5. 2 times 5 minus 4 in 12 is 3. 3 times 1. 3 in 12, 4. 4 times 1. So this will give us 7 minus 1, 6. 6 minus 2, 4. So we have your 4 here. 2 times 5, 10. 3 times 1, 3, 4 times 1, 4. Then 10 minus 3, 7 minus 4. 10 minus 3 will give us 7. 7 minus 4 will give us 3. 3 divided by 12. Now we cannot leave it like this because 3 is also a factor of 12. 3 in 3, 1, 3 in 12, 4. So our final answer will be 1 over 4. So that's our final answer.